Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty, where dream homes come true, renovated and move-in ready. Brick and stone exterior for easy maintenance. Updated eat-in kitchen with tile backsplash, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Large great room with fireplace and new laminate vinyl flooring. Fresh paint inside and out. New flooring and light fixtures throughout. New roof recently installed. Master with private updated bath in his and her closets. Rear deck perfect for grilling and entertaining. The oversized garage allows for plenty of storage. Plenty of room for family and friends. Won't last long. Submit your offer today.